Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to fill a background pattern in Photoshop. See this, click the background and Ctrl J for copy background. Click Apex. See this pattern overlay. Okay, and click the icon. Select the setting, small list, large thumbnail. I already large thumbnail, and you see this many patterns. You do not show this pattern, you simply click and append it or all pattern, then print your pattern as in this. Now see this many pattern. Okay, opacity and size. Okay, now click OK. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.